If you want to build a successful feminine business, you need a magnetic online presence. And no, it doesn't mean that you need 1 million followers. Janae Naylor went from working at Target to building a luxury eyewear brand. Rachel Rodgers went from being a lawyer to building a multi-7-figure business. A lot of women worry about the wrong things. I need a lot of followers. I don't know what I'm good at. Why would anyone buy anything from me? When all you have to do is just clock in online, show up as your authentic self, stand out amongst the crowd, and leverage your pretty privilege, because you're going to attract an audience who's willing to buy into you, which means you will already have a community of people who are willing to pay you just for being you. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about how to build a magnetic online presence, because in this day and age, that is the easiest way to build a brand and to make money. Whether you want to be a creator, a coach, a business owner, visibility is currency. And here's the thing, whether you're online or not, you already have a brand. The way you look, the way you carry yourself, your philosophical thoughts, what you say or don't say, people are already forming opinions about you, which makes up your brand. But if you want to start taking it seriously, using it to your advantage and creating opportunities is exactly what you need to do. First thing that you need to do to build a magnetic online presence is to choose your main platform. And I know you're thinking about your favorite creator or business owner who's on every platform, has a lot of followers, has a lot of engagement, and is really successful. But the truth is, that's not how they started. When you're first starting out, especially if you have a full-time job or other responsibilities like being a mom like myself, trying to be consistent on every platform is impossible. What's going to happen is you're going to spread yourself too thin, get burnt out, and become mediocre everywhere instead of becoming known on one platform and becoming really successful on it. Whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, understand the algorithm, what content works best on that platform, your posting cadence, and become a master at it. Posting and being consistent everywhere means you're going to be a jack of all trades and a master of none. But this doesn't mean that you can't have more than one platform. It means that you need to have a main platform that you're investing more of your time and energy into. But regardless of what platform that you choose, here's what's going to set you apart from the rest. Video, where you're talking to the camera, where people can see you, people can hear you, people can look into your eyes. This creates trust, because people buy into people they like, know, and trust. Whether they're buying into you as a personal brand or buying something that you're selling. Let go of the scarcity mindset or limiting belief that you need to be everywhere at the same time, because you don't. Here's how you choose the best platform for you. Firstly, as a viewer, where do you spend most of your time? Are you on YouTube? Are you on TikTok? Are you on Instagram? Are you on Substack? Chances are you will enjoy creating where you frequent most. Secondly, what platform aligns with you as a person? If you like short, snappy information or entertainment, then something like TikTok might be best for you. The visuals and aesthetics are just as important as the information you are consuming, then Instagram might be the best platform for you. If you're a yapper like myself and you enjoy deep diving and going into detail about things, then YouTube is probably your platform. Either way, you have to be genuinely excited about creating on that platform, because that's what will fuel your consistency. The next way to build a magnetic online presence is to curate your online image. People will never be honest about this, but the world is a very superficial place. People care about beauty, people care about appearance. 9 times out of 10, you're either going to stop scrolling or click on a video of somebody who's either beautiful, well put together, or both. This is scientifically based. It's called the halo effect, where attractive people are seen to be more competent, to be more intelligent, to be more approachable. One comment I get when I talk about leveraging your pretty privilege is someone saying, well, what if I'm not attractive? To that I say, yes, there might be conventional beauty, but people also care about presentation. Dress with class, walk with elegance, have a signature scent, keep your makeup simple, have a skincare routine, make sure your hair is always done, create a personal style, because these small shifts will make all the difference when you're online. Not everyone can get away with wearing a bonnet or having messy hair online. If you want to build a magnetic online presence, you need to take pride in your appearance. Yes, looks might not be everything and we do need substance, but looks get you in the room and they provide you the access. Next thing you need to do to build a magnetic online presence is to lean into your unfair advantage. One of the things that a lot of successful people online have in common is that they have this it factor. Whether it's their looks, the way they dress, their humor, their professional background, something that's just unique to them and makes them stand out in front of the crowd. And if you're not new on this channel, then you would know that I speak about pretty privilege a lot, because the thing is, everybody has privilege. White privilege, male privilege, female privilege, pretty privilege, financial privilege, intellectual privilege, anything that will do 80% of the work for you and make your life easier. Instead of shying away from whatever unfair advantage you have in life, if you want to have a magnetic online presence that creates opportunities for you, that makes you money, you need to lean into it, because that will make people stop scrolling, that will make people follow you and want to find out more about you or whatever you're selling. The next way to build a magnetic online presence is to post for somebody else. One of the things that make people invincible or struggle to build an online presence is that they are posting for themselves. But when it comes to posting on social media, it's not about you. It doesn't mean that you should only create sit-down videos where you're educating people about something. Whether you're sharing your outfits, your beauty routine, your makeup, your skincare, your lifestyle, it's always about the audience. Is it entertaining? Is it educational? Is it inspiring? People have to find value in whatever you're posting. So if you want to do a get ready with me, you can do a get ready with me as a 30-something mid-sized woman. If you want to do a day in their life, you can do a day in their life as a single mom of 2. Instead of just teaching about how to manifest your dream life, you can share how you manifested your dream husband. Ask yourself what's in it for them, because as people, we are inherently selfish. So even when we're scrolling on social media, we're not thinking about the person who's posting. We're thinking about escaping from our toxic jobs, our stressful lives. We're looking for things that will inspire us and give us a new perspective. So every single time you're creating and posting content, ask yourself, will somebody find this valuable? Is this going to help somebody? Is this going to entertain them? Is it going to teach them? Is it going to inspire them? This and only this is what will start getting you a following and help you to build trust and authority. Next way to build a magnetic online presence is to share your story. There are over 1 billion content creators on social media. Now we have AI, which can literally give you a title and a whole script of whatever you want to create. And that's why a lot of people are saying that social media is saturated, because it's getting harder and harder to stand out as a content creator or business owner on social media. So the only thing that's unique to you is your experiences, what you've been through, your mindset, your thought processes. A lot of people are ashamed to share their messy past or not so glamorous lifestyle. But people don't want to see the same old thing. They crave being able to relate to people. They crave people being individual. This doesn't mean that you have to be an open book and share your deepest and darkest. There is a way of sharing your story whilst being private. You just have to find parts of yourself that you feel comfortable sharing with other people. Whether it's that you're a single mom, that you're an immigrant, the type of job you have, that you've gone through a breakup, that you've come from poverty. Something that will make people see themselves in you. Something that will make people want to root for you. Something that will make people look up to you. Real bond, a real connection where people feel like they know you. That's what makes people like you. That's what builds trust. And that's what will make you magnetic. Next way to build a magnetic online presence is having an opinion, even if it's polarizing. A lot of people are too wrapped up on wanting to be liked, connect, wanting to grow, that they don't really share what they actually think or how they feel. They're just vanilla. They're Switzerland. Candace Owens, for example, is like Marmite. People either love her or hate her. She's been able to build a formidable personal brand and business because of her polarizing views. And that's not to say that you should go down the political route or that you should be horrible to people. But if you have strong opinions about 50-50, about relationships, about women in business, about inclusivity in luxury fashion, whatever strong opinions that you might have that go against the grain, you need to share them, because being magnetic is not just about attracting, it's also about repelling. When you build a magnetic online presence, some people will love you and some people won't. That's exactly what you want. When you're sharing a clear message, a unique perspective, the right people will feel like you're speaking directly to them, like you're reading their mind. They will want to connect with you. They will want to speak to you in the DMs. They'll want to be a part of your community because they feel seen. And the people who don't will either keep scrolling or let you know that they don't agree with you. If you want to attract like-minded people, people who will buy into you or whatever that you're selling, you need to have a clear point of view. You need to stand on something. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and abundance. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye lovelies.